The Vintage Shop Crimson Capper fits most of the bottles out there in the market, if not all of them. As you all may know, there are different sizes for the necks of the bottles. Some are wider, some are skinnier. Our capper has the choice or the function to switch them. It's this blade that you pull from underneath, and it has a smaller size and a bigger size, depending on the neck of your bottle. So if you're trying with the smaller size, and you have a wider neck bottle, and it doesn't quite work because it's too tight, you can always flip both sides around. As you can see, it's a lot smoother and easier to cap your bottle.